Okay, so today we are going to add our table and a poster to our background of our sketchbook. And this will be the last thing that we add for this week's sketchbook drawing. Now, you can kind of see where I've estimated about where I want the edge of my table to be. So you just need to kind of, if you have a ruler, you can use a ruler, most definitely, but I'm eyeballing it here. Now the poster that we're going to add into the background, you can go in, you can find other videos, you can draw any image that you want as long as it's school appropriate. And so I wanted to add a napkin here, so I'm just going to make 2 lines here, kind of go back here, and maybe go kind of back behind my donut, just so that it doesn't look like my donut is sitting straight on the table. So in the background, I'm going to add a rectangle or a square. Now you can add other objects in the background of your image too. You do not have to, I'm not limiting you to what we're drawing. And just so I can get a perfect corner, I'm going to use the corner of my coloring pencil box here to help me out. Okay, so I know I want it about there. I want my top edge about there. I can always go back later and clean that up. So I know that I want my poster to be here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, I'm going to draw a little character holding a balloon and kind of floating in the air. So you can do this and you can change it up. I'm going to do a girl. You can make it into a boy if you want. You could draw a sloth in a tree, cat. For my video gamer people, you can draw little video gaming people, whatever you want. So I've drawn a circle. And I'm going to do a simple little kind of a almost triangle shape dress. So I've just gone in at 2 angles and I've made a curved line. Now I'm going to make kind of 2, well, I'm going to go ahead and make my legs. And I'm going to make them kind of look like just sticks. Just curve the bottom of them. Let's see, let's add hair. I'm going to use my hairstyle. I've got a little bit of a swoopy bang. But I have short hair, so I'm going to add 2 curved lines for my puffs, or my hair puffs up. I'm going to add a little bit of 2 curved lines for my ears. Go back in, raise my hair. And then I'm going to add 2 curved lines going up this way. And I'll have an ellipse or an oval here, and I'm going to add a small one here. Add a triangle, and I'm going to add the curved shape as the bottom of my balloon. Now I think I want to go in and I want to add a couple more balloons. Just because. Maybe I'll add a little balloon here. Just make an oval, little triangle, and a squiggly line. So I'm going to do a very simplified face. I'm going to do 2 long ellipses or ovals for the eyes. I'm going to add a little bit of eyelash. I'm not going to add a nose for this one. And I'm just going to add a little mouth. Oh, don't forget my eyebrows. And since I'm up in the sky. I'm going to do cloud by adding a straight line, and then I'm just going to do like puffy line here. Small cloud here, straight line, and puffy. And one here. I'm going to add some simple shoes by just kind of adding a curved line. Okay. And let's see, what else should I add? I have blue in my hair now, so I'm going to add a little bit of section here so that when I go in and color, I know that that's going to be blue, that'll be black. And just for fun, I'm going to add a circle here, add 2 triangles, curved line, do 2 little curved lines there, triangle, a dot, and an exclamation. A very simplified bird. Now you can go in, and I'm going to go back. I'm going to ink this. I'm going to show you. You can go in, you can add some things on this side if you want to, and you can add some more items to your table if you want to. You can adjust this and add things as you need. But when your sketchbook is turned in for the end of the week, I want the apple, the stack of the books, the pencil, the coffee cup, and a poster. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my final image. I left my table white because I had already colored my book brown, and I didn't want it to be too much brown on the bottom portion. And I left my wall white. I will probably actually go back and color that a different day. But to kind of give it the illusion of a little bit, I added a little shadow underneath my poster. I colored my napkin. Now for the shadow of the pencil right here, I went ahead and just continued straight with the blue. But when you're doing an object that is not touching the table, it does not touch the object. The shadow does not. So just be mindful of that. And there we go.